MYX Finance is up 90% since the last time I talked about it. And I want to go over the project one more time for you guys and talk about everything there is to know. All right. So, hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys. And today we are talking about MYX Finance. So for any of the new people, or maybe even some of the older people that already know what it is, I want to very quickly break down MYX Finance, and then we're going to look at news and market structure and call it a day. All right. So MYX Finance is a decentralized finance project built for trading. All right. So the coin powers its ecosystem, and basically they are providing users somewhere to trade on. All right. It is community driven. It is fairly new of a project, and they are trying to consider themselves and become the next generation DeFi platform. So if you click on trade on their website, this is what it looks like. You can trade all of these things. Bitcoin at 114,000 again. We love to see it, right? So news. There really is not much news on MYX Finance. They released this NFT for the community. I mean, it's nice to see some community. What am I trying to say? Some community. You give back to the community. There we go. Sorry, I was being a little slow right there. Give back to the community, and then we have these two sponsorships, partnerships with Alchemy Pay and Aeon, right? Not really too known, not too big, but that's what you would expect from a relatively new company and project and coin. So yeah, nothing too crazy. They have not been listed on any new exchanges. We want to see some bigger ones still. Up 63% in the last 7 days, 3% market cap up, 35% volume down, 46% community sentiment, right? So a lot of the community think it's a pump and dump. They are not secure about it. They are not certain about it. And I most definitely am not either. Okay. So I don't hold any MYX. I don't plan on holding any MYX yet. And when I do, it's not going to be long term. Okay. So the last time I talked about MYX, it was in this area. And I said I wanted to see us close above it and then go to the upside. Right. So from the moment I called it, 83%, you're almost at a 2x, right? So we are getting to this support zone, this resistance zone, and I think it's going to go down and then back up and then down and then back up, right? So I'm not holding this for long-term games, because if you look at market structure, this is very sus. Everything from here to here, very, very weird price action, right? I don't like to see that. My plan is when it gets back here, I simply buy up and I sell up here, buy up here again, sell up here again. Maybe once, maybe twice. And then I'm going to put it back into other coins that I believe in, right? Render, Caspa, Near, Zbec, maybe even a meme coin, Pengu, Toshi, right? But I'm definitely not holding this long term. I don't advise it. They haven't made themselves credible enough to be doing that. And I'm a little bit sus about them also, right? If I see something like this happen, we close below here, I'm absolutely not buying, because then I think we're going down all the way to this area. And if this happens, I think it's becoming a dead coin, right? So maybe I'll make a update video for you guys if I plan on buying. If it gets to this zone and we start seeing some bullishness, maybe I will make an update video for you guys. I'm not too certain about it, so I just want to advise it. I want to say, medium risk, high risk, actually, I would say. Possibly good gains, maybe not the greatest. Obviously, if it gets down to here, this could be like a decent, very, very small bag to make it go back up to here. But I doubt it. Like, I'm not too confident about the coin, so I want to make a updated video on you guys, just giving you my thoughts about it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe, comment if you're in or out, what other cryptos you want me to look at, and I'll see you guys in the next video.